Hi everyone, it's Boy William here. Last couple of weeks since the coronavirus outbreak happened in the US, ASU has turned completely into the online format till the end of this semester. I know after ASU announced that a lot of students have traveled back to their home country or their home state somewhere else in the US. I hope those people has been home safely. And here I want to talk about my personal experience with the Zoom class in the last couple of weeks. I want to say at the beginning, both the professor and the students are not very familiar with the Zoom. We all have a little bit learning curve to overcome. But after that, I think the experience are very good. It's very similar to what we were getting in class. In Zoom, we can do like group discussions where professor can put us into small meeting rooms to do group discussion and then merge us back together as a whole class to continue. And we can raise hands, ask questions, answer questions. We can type discussion, we can chat in the group with the rest of the class. Also, one benefit with the Zoom class is that professor can actually record a class and post it online. So if you miss a part of the lecture, or say you didn't understand some of the material, you can always go back to review it. And here I want to share a couple of tips with you guys while we are doing this at our home. The first tip is get a separate screen. So in my case, I have two separate screens, but I think one screen will be very useful and will be enough for most students. What I do is I will put professor on one screen as he speaks, and I will put his lecture material, his PowerPoint, or say his share screen on a different screen. That way both material are right in front of me. It's very easy for me to follow along with the class. The second tip is get familiar with the Zoom software. If you guys go to zoom.com, there's a lot of instructions to teach you how to use the Zoom software to discover like all the functionalities. So once you get familiar with the Zoom, it's very useful tool while we're taking the class. The third tip is maybe turn off your phone while you're taking class, because if we're all at home, we're in a comfortable environment, we don't have students around us, professors are not supervising us, so we get distracted easily. So turn off phone will be a really good practice to do to help improve our class experience. At the end, I hope this epidemic will be over soon. Everybody can be back to campus in the very near future. Please, everybody, stay home and stay safe. Go Devil. Thank you.